It's never the end of the world when things go wrong. Just keep faith in yourself. Keep going and stay strong. Never give up on your dreams and never give up hope. A star is a rock that never gave up on its dream to rise.
Lemon juice, then chilled cold water. Yeah. This is banana and orange juice. So this is our beetroots, our carrots. Let's make a simple fruit juice. The name is Bidana Waka Doings, Bidana Waka Vibes on YouTube. Now we day here, no shaking, no hard feelings. Yeah, so I'm going to grate this carrot and add to it. Carrots and beetroots. We add to this orange juice, banana, and beetroots. So I'm coming to blend. Let me add my chilled cold water here. So now see how the
Fuel your body, feed your soul. Start with health, add happiness. Small steps every day creates big change. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Energy flows where intentions goes. So hello my beautiful people. Today this is what we are doing. Today we are blending health, happiness, and a little sweetness. Literally, Charlie, I hope you are watching. You are watching and I mean liking and subscribing. Please just enjoy some treats and get inspired with the motivational quotes. To lift your day, let's grow from the inside out.
So see, first off, we have the remaining one here. Now so the ingredients were beetroot, banana, orange juice, lemon juice, then chilled cold water. Yeah, and the last one we used was our blender that we used.
Amazing great, how sweet the sound. He works in that light I once but lost, but now I'm found. Amazing great, I see. If you can change your mind, you can change your life. If you are brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward you. with a new hello. So keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. All dreams are within reach. All you have to do is keep moving towards them. This is how life is. Jesus, keep me near the cross, the precious fountain, free to all the healing stream, flows from Calvary's mountain. In the cross, be my glory ever, till my raptured soul shall find rest beyond the river. In the cross, be my glory ever, till my raptures, till my hey, be there now to me skill so, hey, Charlie. Bidana, you get vibes. The name is Bidana Waka Doings. Bidana Waka Vibes on YouTube. Charlie, you have to believe in yourself when no one else does. Yes. When you have a dream, you have to grab it and never let it go. Because the most important thing is to enjoy your life, to be happy. It's all that matters. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come without living happier. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Some people want to be happy. Some people want to be happy. Some wish it would happen. Others make it happen. You have to got to be in it to win it. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. So find out who you are and do it on purpose. For me, become it isn't about arriving somewhere or achieving a certain aim. I see it instead as forward motion, a means of evolving, a way to reach continuously toward a better life. The journey doesn't end. Confident people have a way of carrying themselves that makes others attracted to them. Thank you guys for always watching the doings. See the sweets. See how the color is. So crispy, so relaxed inside. Charlie, the name is Bidana Waka Doings. Thank you everyone for watching my doings every day. I really appreciate you guys. Please do watch my videos. Do watch my doings. If I have wronged you, forgive me. Yeah, forgive me. Now these fruits and our sweets, we did a compilation. Thank you everyone for always being around. I love you all. Thank you.